rather than destruction. Chapter 5, The Crown of Victory, Embracing Divine Justice and Mercy. Victory, my fellow warrior, is not measured by how loudly you condemn but by how deeply you transform yourself and those around you through divine justice and mercy. The parable of the speck and the log culminates in this glorious triumph, the removal of hypocrisy and the restoration of clear sight. God's crown awaits those who battle pride and judgment with humility and love. This crown is not one of worldly honors but of spiritual authority, a power that changes hearts, mends bodies of believers, and ushers in peace. Let the divine warrior inside you rise and promise this: to never judge without love, to seek first the removal of your own log, to wield mercy as your sword, and to protect unity in the body of Christ at all costs. This path will not be easy. It requires courage, discipline, and reliance on God's strength. But the reward is eternal: eyes open, heart pure, spirit fearless. Go forward now, armored with this truth. Be the warrior who conquers not through condemnation, but through the mighty power of humility, mercy, and love. Take up this parable as your battle cry and march boldly toward victory. If this message has stirred the warrior spirit within you, I invite you to join this divine army. Subscribe to the channel now, activate notifications so you never miss the call to arms, give this video a like to strengthen the signal, leave a comment to share your battle stories, and share this powerful message with those who need to hear it. Together, we rise as warriors of God, walking in truth and victory.